Hello, I hope you're well. And today I just want to sort of give you a flavor of a tool that I recently discovered in Excel, which is called Compare Spreadsheet. Now, I hadn't even known anything about this, but I was asked in a class recently by one of the learners. She said she always had to be sort of comparing two files and there was text in it and everything else. And she was wondering if there was anything that was sort of like Word that you could do it. Now, I didn't know, but of course I went to trusty Google. And of course, it turns out that there is actually a tool available that you can do that. So if I go down here to my little search bar, and you can do the same as well. If I just type in compare spreadsheet, or in this case, it says spreadsheet compare. I'm just going to click on it. Okay. And let's have a little look here. So you can see there it looks like. Okay. Now you can see here, the first thing we need to do is I have two files up here, two bits of text in it. So the first thing you need to do is and one of them is called random1 and the other is called random2, even though you can't see it up there. So if I come up here now, let's say I go to compare two files. So I choose my files here. So what I'm going to do maybe is just go to my documents here and just choose my random one. Okay, so here we have random one, which I'm going to open. Okay, now you see there straight away, because I have it open, I actually have to close it. So what I need to do is I need to close both of these first of all. So let me close both of these. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here we have, I've just opened up my compare to spreadsheets. I go to compare files, and I'm just going to go to the website here. Let's say I've got random2, and I'm just going to look which is kind of like the older one. So the older one is this one, random2. Okay, click open, and then I choose the newer file, which is random1, just the way it's worked out. And then I click OK. Now you can see there it kind of gives me a picture of where, let's say, one has changed and one hasn't changed. Okay, so what I could do then, let's say, for example, if I actually make a change, and let's just do that now. Okay, so I've opened up random2 here, so I click on it. I'm just going to say make it yellow. This is more text I've changed to yellow. And then I click on it and save it and close it. Now, the thing you need to note is that when you make any changes to it, you do actually have to open up this one again. At least that's been my experience. So I click OK. Okay. Now you can see there, I've actually made some changes on it. Okay, so I've kind of, let me just expand this a little bit. Okay, so you see there, I've changed the color and I've done the formatting, and I've just made a random change as well. Now what you could do then as well is that, let's say you could copy the results to your clipboard as well. So, and that would actually identify the changes. So let me just expand this a little bit. See, cell formatting changed, enter value has changed. So this allows you just to identify some of the changes. So if you are in a scenario where you do actually have to compare values, this could be a really useful tool for you to explore. Okay, mind yourself, take care, bye.